Hi, everybody. Boys and girls, did you know that you are all so very special to me? I hope you know that because it's true. And you're all so special and unique and different from the next person. And really, it's those differences that make us each beautiful and special and the person that you are. So today's story is all about being unique and celebrating the diversity that makes up Hidden Hills. Here we go. Our story is called Finding Your Spot in the World, a story about diversity, written and illustrated by Diane Alber. Finding Your Spot in the World, a story about diversity. Hi, my name is Spot, and I'm not just any ordinary Spot. I'm here to help you find your spot in the world. What does that mean? But the world is so big. There are millions of people in this world, and we all look different, act different, and like different things. We each have tough challenges, individual talents, and unique strengths that make us who we are. I know sometimes it may feel like you don't belong or fit in, but we all have a spot in the world, and our differences can make the world a better place. That is the amazing thing about diversity. If everyone was the same, that wouldn't be fun at all. Imagine only having the same color crayon in the crayon box. How could you create a beautiful rainbow? That's why I'm here to help you discover what makes you unique and how we can all grow together. Being different comes in all shapes and sizes. Some differences you can see, and some differences you can't. You may see someone with different colored skin or hair, but we all want to feel accepted and confident in ourselves. You may see someone with different eyes, but we all cry tears and feel pain when someone is unkind. You may see someone with a different way of doing things, but we all want to create something beautiful. You may hear someone with a different voice or accent, but we can all say nice things to each other. You may see someone that communicates differently, but we all want a chance to share information and express ourselves. You may see someone with different hands, but we can all give high fives or help someone up when they have fallen down. You may see someone move differently, but we all want to go places and explore. You may see someone with a different skill or talent, but we all want to do something we love when we grow up. Your differences may stand out, and so might the differences of others, but the world needs them. We need diverse ideas, diverse talents, and diverse perspectives. Each person has a special spot in this world. What's yours? And boys and girls, there's a "Can you spot what makes you unique?" form at the end of this book here. And I'm hoping that you might actually take a few minutes to go through it and figure out what makes you unique and special, because the world needs you. So, with that, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening and keep reading. The readathon is doing great. I know, boys and girls, you are just absolutely amazing. And with that, have a wonderful evening, everybody. Take care.